Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will learn how to plot rational numbers on a number line. This line is called a number line, where numbers to the right of 0 represent positive values and numbers to the left of 0 represent negative values. Our task is to plot point A, which is located at -1 over 4. First, locate -1 on the number line, which is to the left of 0. Since the fraction is negative, we move 1 over 4 to the left of -1. To do this, we divide the space between -1 and -2 into 4 equal parts. Since the denominator is 4, each part represents 1 over 4. Because the numerator is 1, we move exactly one section to the left of -1. Now we have reached point A at -1 over 4. The same reasoning applies for point C. Now let's move to point D. Since the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4, and the numerator is smaller than the denominator, the fraction 1 over 4 is smaller than 1. Because 1 over 4 is a positive number, this means point D is located to the right of 0. The number line between 0 and 1 is divided into 4 equal sections. Since the denominator is 4, each section represents 1 over 4. Because the numerator is 1, we move exactly one section to the right of 0. Now we have located point D at 1 over 4. Now let's move on to point E, which is given as a decimal number. To make it easier to plot, we can first convert the decimal into a fraction. Convert 0.75 to a fraction. We know that 0.75 is equal 3 over 4. It is important to remember this conversion for decimals like 0.25 equal 1 over 4, 0.5 equal 1 over 2, and 0.75 equal 3 over 4. Alternatively, if we want to convert this decimal to fraction manually, we can move the decimal point two places to the right, making the number 75 over 100. Since both 75 and 100 have a common factor of 25, we can simplify the fraction to 3 over 4. Now that we know the fraction is 3 over 4, we move 3 sections to the right of 0 on the number line, as each section represents 1 over 4. In this way, we have determined the location of point E at 0.75 or 3 over 4. Now let's move on to point S. To simplify the process, we will first convert the fraction 7 over 2 into a mixed number. So, since the denominator is 2, we check how many times 2 fits into 7. We find that 2 fits 3 times into 7 with a remainder of 1. Therefore, we write the mixed number as 1 over 2. Now, we locate the whole number 3 on the number line. After identifying 3, we need to move 1 over 2 to the right. To do this, divide the space between 3 and 4 into 2 equal sections, since the denominator is 2. We then move one section to the right, which corresponds to 1 over 2. In this way, we have determined the location of point S at 1 over 2.